So I like to carry my Glock 45 everywhere because it's just a sweet piece. I mean, look at it, 17 shots, full size. How could you not want to just carry it everywhere? The only tiny issue is that it just kind of prints a lot. And I really don't like running the 17 round mag. I like running the 19+1. It just makes me feel cooler. But when I wear a little tighter fit clothing, it just prints out just a little bit more than I would like it to. So that's why I like carrying these small little ones, like your SIG X Macro. This is actually the snub nose X Macro. See, with this here, doesn't show, and it's really light. But sometimes it feels just a little too small. Sometimes I just want to feel a little bit cooler. So then I'll pop out the X Macro, which is ported. Now this doesn't stick out. I mean, at least I can't tell. But that's just a little problem that, I mean, I wouldn't say problem, but it's a tiny little issue I have with the Glock 45. It just sticks out just a little too much when you wear a little tighter fit clothing. So that's why it's good to have a couple different options.